sisters and we like to make some smoke. Choo choo. Correct. Now let's try again. Now let's do like a costume. So we're sisters and we like to make some smoke. Choo choo. Ready? Let's do this to the camera. We're sisters and we like to make some smoke. Choo choo. Don't play the fire. Won't be the last one. Now watch this. Watch. Go in the fire. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Eliza. How you doing?
Where are you recording?
I'm recording you guys.
Oh. Today we're going to do a song, and it's about. Oh, did you fart in? Okay, ready? Ready? And a 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. No, we're sisters. Well, today we're going to make a song, and it's about smoke with a. Now this is our practicing. We're gonna be practicing a new song, and we already got the lyrics. It goes, and now me and Mikhail are gonna do this, but we're not gonna have a dance move now. Only for one song. So don't make the dance move. We're sisters, and we like to make some smoke. Choo choo. And then we're gonna be practicing, and you may fall. So you're gonna sing the song, and let's do one dance move too. We're sisters, and we like to make some smoke. Choo choo. Make them be dead. No, and now get up, Pussy, get up. No, but I'm warning you. The penny is poisonous. How is penny poisonous? Never happened. Wow. It happened to everyone. Yeah, you did. I can see people coming. I can tell what you're thinking. You miss it, and we can read it. Say, wow, you're right. Be careful. Back up. I mean, back up. Why?
Be careful with those,
I
please.
think it's still lighting, because when some of it like touched the fire, it sparkled a little.
Oh.
Okay, you can go back. I'm passing up. Crazy. Eat it. Ew! You disgusting. Hi! I'm a kid and
Hey, you take this. It's on.
You?
Yeah, it's on.
Try this one. Daddy, you or him? Robert!